Sleep-focused essential oils are a growing category in personal wellness, offering an alternative or complement to medications and traditional sleep aids. The right blend can help reduce bedtime tension, create a calming environment, and improve perceived sleep quality without additives. In this comparison, product number 1, Sleep Essential Oil Blend for Diffuser. Dream Essential Oils for Diffuser's Aromatherapy. Maple Holistic's Dream Blend is a diffuser-focused formulation featuring a curated trio of sedative, relaxing oils, lavender, chamomile, clary sage, with the addition of ylang ylang. Marketed as a pure essential oil blend for diffusers, it emphasizes aromatherapy-driven sleep support and claims a proprietary formula designed to elevate a nighttime routine. The packaging and formulation align with Maple Holistic's brand positioning around spa-like at-home experiences and natural ingredients. Performance and use. In practical diffusion, the Dream Blend produced a warm product number 2. Up Nature Dream Sleep Essential Oil 2 ounce. Sleep peacefully. Up Nature's Dream Blend is a 2-ounce bottle with a multi-oil composition that includes lavender, wood, copaiba, orange peel, juniper, coriander, almond, bay laurel, and chamomile. Marketed as undiluted and suitable for diffusers and direct drop use, with caution. This product aims to deliver a versatile sleep support aroma with a broader botanical profile than a lavender-dominant blend. Performance and use. The aroma presents a well-rounded, calming profile, with lavender and chamomile providing classic sleep associations, while orange peel and juniper add bright and grounding notes that can influence the diffusion experience. Because the blend is described as undiluted, users must dilute for topical applications. Product number 3, Folk Culture's Sleep Essential Oil Set for Christmas. Set of 6 pure Christmas essential oils for diffusers for home. Lavender Folk Culture's 6-pack Christmas-themed essential oil set emphasizes variety and gifting appeal, with lavender, rosemary, peppermint, eucalyptus, jasmine, and orange as include oils. While marketed as sleep-related, the set appears to prioritize a broader range of home fragrance and relaxation applications beyond sleep alone. The packaging and assortment are designed for gifting, making it attractive for those seeking a multi-oil pantry rather than a single night sleep aid. Performance and use. The multi-oil set provides versatility for diffusion, DIY blends, and craft projects. Lavender remains a sleep-supporting ingredient. Product number 4, Up Nature Dream Sleep Essential Oil Roll-On. Natural sleeping blend with lavender. Up Nature's roll-on format provides a convenient, compact solution for on-the-go sleep support. The blend includes lavender, chamomile, and other supportive oils like orange and juniper in a roll-on carrier, marketed as a natural sleeping blend, suitable for quick, topical calming. The roll-on format targets convenience, making it ideal for travelers or quick pre-bed routines. Performance and use. The roll-on design allows targeted application on wrists, neck, and behind the ears, delivering a direct and portable aroma. The product emphasizes skin-friendly ingredients with a carrier oil, suitable for daily carry and immediate use. Product number 5, Natural Calm Serenity Sleep Essential Oil Blend, Pure Aromatherapy Oils for Dream. Olinear's Serenity Sleep Blend combines lavender, orange, sage, and neroli for a balanced, calming fragrance intended for diffuser use and broad aromatherapy applications. As a premium-sounding option in this lineup, with a blend built for nighttime calm, it emphasizes a natural, long-lasting aroma designed to support restful sleep. Performance and use. The blend's composition aligns with classic sleep-inducing notes, lavender and neroli, with a subtle orange brightness and sage's grounding quality. This mix can offer a sophisticated aroma profile that remains pleasant over longer diffusion periods. While the product description highlights diffuser compatibility and pure ingredients,